Bicycle advocacy groups all across the world hold commuter races, pitting vehicles against bicycles and buses during rush hour traffic. Bicycles always win. The races are definitely biased against automobiles since they are organized by pro-bicycle groups. The race would be held on the busiest roadways, across short metropolitan routes, usually under 10 kilometers, and at the busiest period of the day for cars, 8:30 a.m. Incredibly unfair to the car in this situation. But it is a fact that cars will naturally move more slowly in congested traffic and during the busiest hours of the day when most people are attempting to go to work. Private vehicle average speeds in crowded cities during rush hour can be as low as 8 to 16 kilometers per hour, or even slower in extremely congested locations. And with that, bike commuters would contend that bikes are the fastest urban commute by far. While this may be the case, let's discuss objectively. At the onset, it's weird to say that the bicycle is the fastest, but in the context of urban commuting, it does make sense to say that bicycles are faster. When we say fastest urban commute, we refer to the shortest travel time from origin to destination in the urban context. There are several factors that may be taken into account while choosing the fastest urban commuter vehicle, including speed, agility, efficiency, parking, and overall effectiveness. Let's go through these indicators and then look how bicycles fare in each area to demonstrate how they are the quickest mode of urban transport. Although bicycles are unlikely to have the fastest speeds, they frequently outperform other forms of transportation in cities because they can maneuver through traffic and use bike lanes if there are any. The exceptional agility of bicycles enables riders to maneuver through traffic, squeeze through narrow areas, and perform quick turns. They are very effective in urban settings because they can easily avoid obstructions and adjust to varying road conditions. Plus, when all else fails, you can simply get off the bike and walk with it on the sidewalk. When it comes to energy consumption, bicycles are highly efficient. Compared to motorized vehicles, they transfer the majority of the rider's effort into forward movement. They are quite effective for short to medium distances and have minimal energy requirements. And obviously, bicycles don't require fuel, and therefore, there's no need to refill or recharge them. In terms of parking, bicycles have a sizable advantage in cities. They take up very little room and are simple to secure using bicycle racks or designated parking areas, in comparison to motor vehicle parking, which frequently have limited availability and parking fees. This makes finding places to park easier and more convenient. Cost, environmental effect, health advantages, and convenience all favor bicycles. They are less expensive to purchase and maintain, produce fewer carbon emissions and air pollutants, promote physical activity, and are simple to store in urban areas. It is also necessary to point out how bicycles are able to mix in with the rest of the other mode choices. Multimodal commuting is made possible by bicycles' exceptional compatibility with other modes of transportation. Cyclists may extend their reach and travel more quickly and effectively in metropolitan areas by combining cycling with public transit. For instance, transporting their bikes on buses or trains. This adaptability makes bicycles a more viable alternative for commuting overall. It is definitely safe to say that bicycles are the fastest urban commute vehicles by far, and you can go slow if you want to. Bicycles place greater emphasis on agility than raw speed, in contrast to high-speed motorized vehicles. Cyclists are able to move swiftly through traffic, navigate crowded places, and reach their destinations in a short span of time. Not to mention, bicycles help provide a healthy and sustainable urban environment. Thank you for watching.